Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Airbnb Reserve Now Pay Later 2026. First of all, go ahead and find yourself an eligible stays and look for the listings with flexible or moderate cancellation policy. The option will automatically appear on the checkout page if the stay is eligible. Now, to do so, first of all, go ahead and tap on that specific property icon, and once you've done so, go ahead and tap on this reserve option and you will be able to find choose when to pay option. Now, if it's not shown over here, what you can do is go ahead and tap on this next button, then select your payment method, and once you've done so, you will be redirected to the next page. Now, as you can see, there will be an option called when will you pay. Now, if the Airbnb has allowed an option called reserve now pay later, it will be most probably available over here, and all you have to do is go ahead and tap on it, and once you've tapped on it, you can go ahead and tap on this done button, then head to this pay option and you will be paying $0 up front. Now once you've done so, the full amount will be automatically charged to your original payment method shortly before the listing's free cancellation period ends. Now manage your payment. You can update your payment method or choose to pay the balance early at time via the trip tab option, which is located on this button. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.